Hi, this is Priyavadhana from Department of Agricultural Extension, Annamalai University, Chidambaram, Tamil Nadu. I'm a JRF scholar, so I cleared UGC JRF in this June 2024 re-exam. So first of all, I would like to thank Agri Social Sciences and Dr. Vishal sir for being my mentor and guiding me throughout this UGC JRF preparation. And when it comes to my strategy, first what we have to do is to understand the syllabus completely. UGC NET exam consists of two papers, that is one is paper 1, that is general, and next is paper 2, that is our department paper. For most of the agri graduates who are pursuing MSc agricultural extension or extension education, their paper 2 will be andragogy, non-formal education or extension education, continuing education, likewise. So in our department paper, we have to read it completely. For example, this exam is about nearly 3 hours, no negative marking, and each question carries 2 marks, so we can boldly attempt every questions. So what are the major areas we have to concentrate in syllabus means we have to first understand thoroughly the syllabus. We have to go through the syllabus first. We have to understand the concepts and each words, meaning of each words which are listed in that syllabus. So when it comes to the syllabus for paper 1 and paper 2 in our department, 6 chapters will be same. So those 6 chapters or the key points or key chapters we have to concentrate more. For example, those 6 chapters were teaching, research, communication, ICT, higher education, and reading comprehension. So reading comprehension is just very easy one. It needs some vocabulary skills and some basic fluency in English, or we have to understand English more and the context of the author. So it is comparatively very easy. So in that also we have to score 5 out of 5. We have to try to solve it and score 5 out of 5 questions from that chapter. So every unit poses 5 questions and each question carries 10 marks. So if we cover these 6 chapters alone means we can probably get 120 marks out of 300. We can easily score 120 marks. So these are 6 chapters we have to concentrate more. And also when it comes to environment also, comparatively it is very easy because those environmental policies and the terms related to environment are more familiar for particularly who choose UG. In UG they choose agriculture, and for masters they choose agricultural extension. So for them comparatively it is more easy when it comes to environment chapter. And also most of the students tend to neglect this mathematical part. So it is also mandatory. You have to concentrate more on this mathematics, logical reasoning, and data interpretation. So it is very easy with practice. You have to analyze the trend in which pattern they are asking questions. For example, in data interpretation they used to ask missing numbers. Sometimes it is about percentage. So we have to be more familiar with previous year questions. We have to repeatedly practice previous year questions, and we have to solve it within 15 minutes. You should solve this data interpretation within 15 minutes, and that is much more important. And also when it comes to mathematics, if you are well done in mathematics, you are well versed in mathematics, then no issues. But if you have some issues in mathematics means select some repeatedly asking questions and repeatedly asking topics and prepare those issues. For example, in mathematics, don't quit interest, because in data interpretation also it will be very useful, and discounts and profit or loss, and also these are the major important points, and also age sum, and these are most important topics. And also in distance and time also they are repeatedly asking questions. So if you are well versed in mathematics, kindly go through each and every topics. But also some questions like coding and decoding, and match the related patterns. So these are all very what these are all very comparatively easy subjects and easy topics where you can score more marks. So don't quit those areas, and be familiar with interest and profit or loss. These three areas, that means coding and decoding, profit or loss, and interest topic, these are much more important topics comparatively, and also it is much easier when it comes to mathematics. And logical reasoning also, by practicing daily and visiting more YouTube videos and websites, you can make it much easier for you. Practice make it everything happens. Practice makes a man perfect, so it is very important thing. And when it comes to my book list, for first paper I referred KVS Madan book. As usual, every aspirants will know that book. And also for second paper, I read a treasure trove on extension education. So when it comes to two books, it is not about two books, but you should read it thoroughly. You should know the meaning for each and every word. Don't mug up it, or don't just rote memorize it. You have to go through it. Thoroughly. You have to completely read each and every words and meanings of those things which are given in the books. So don't quit any chapters in those two books. If you can't understand those subjects or those concepts, means just try to understand the concepts with the help of YouTube videos or lectures, which are enormously available in YouTube's. And if in needed if need for credibility, then you go for websites. And also when it comes to my preparation strategy, I would like to say my juniors that I used to study at least 2 to 3 hours a day. Consistency makes everything possible, and consistency is the key to success. So even if you attend classes, if there is university classes, don't quit classes, don't neglect classes also, and don't neglect this study areas also. Morning there are enormous time before you go to attend the classes. So daily you have to practice UGC net questions, previous year questions, and you have to study important topics. 2 to 3.5 hours is maximum, but do it consistently. Don't skip any day. That is very important. And next, to my juniors, I would like to recommend you that start early. So 3 tips are most important. One is start early, next is be consistent, and there is no shortcut to success. So start early. So this is my 4th attempt. I started my preparation in masters itself. So now I am doing first year in PhD. Now I completed JRF. So for me it took 4 attempts. So I don't recommend you to attain it in your 4th attempt, but do it consistently and start your preparations early, because in MSc master classes, most of the subjects, that is most of the syllabus in our PG classes is same, which is simultaneous in our UGC net classes also. So don't skip your PG classes. So try to make notes, compare both the syllabus of your PG class and also that in your UGCnet syllabus, while also picking topic for selecting topic for your credit seminars or some other conferences. You pick or you choose, select topics from UGCnet syllabus. For example, I for my credit skip your PG classes. So try to make notes, compare both the syllabus of your PG class and also that in your UGCnet syllabus, while also picking topic for selecting topic for your credit seminars or some other conferences. You pick or you choose, select topics from UGCnet syllabus. For example, I for my credit seminar personally I took National Education Policy 2020, and also for another one credit seminar I took post and pre-independence universities from higher education. So if you can't remember or you can't understand some topics, so practice it consistently and make it possible. It will be much easier. Okay. And finally, there is no shortcut to success. So work hard, be dedicated to your work, and especially love what you do. So love what you're studying and be passionate to your profession. That's it. Thank you. So wish you all success and congratulations for those aspirants who cleared a net and JRF in this time, and also for future future aspirants, I suggest you to study hard, work hard, and make it happen. So wish you all success for your future. Go ahead.